first and the foremost unit is a ray of hope. Why do we need good role models? Why do the question arises before going to read down the topic? We have to understand why do we need role models. These role models actually is the subheading of the main heading is the ray of hope. A ray of hope encompasses the people biography who had devoted their lives selflessly for humankind. While fighting for their societies, they were strong, determined to crack all the difficulties, faced criticism, made heroic deeds that were unforgettable. So, in this unit, we will study the Perveen legacy of hope. Unit focuses a new hero of the day-to-day life, Perveen legacy. We will discuss the vocabulary words along. Qaeda-Azam is also inscribed here. There are the principles that are written on this with faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty. There is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the founder of Pakistan. He is the leader or founder of Pakistan, a politician and a successful lawyer. He is a role model for Pakistanis and younger generation around the world. He led an exemplary mean होता है ideal life गुजारी या मिसाली ज़िंदगी. He led an exemplary life where he used his knowledge and skills to not only identify a dire situation. Dire ऐसी situation को कहते हैं जो urgent solution की डिमांड पर होती है. Come up with solution but also manage to achieve the desired result within his lifetime. Identifying the role model help us as we can derive inspiration from their examples. So why role models are necessary? Follow the path of our role models. Then we also get inspiration how to unknit the subtle knots of difficulties in our daily life. This is another para. When we are young and growing up means nurturing, nourishing, developing. There is always an elder person whom we admire and dot for many reasons. Dot mean appreciative, admire mean also appreciate, feeling highly of that person. So in our life when we are growing up, we need a role model. So we also idealize persons. Usually it is a parent, teacher, sibling, or a person whose behavior, example or success is emulated by others. Emulated mean होता है copy करना, mimic करना, follow करना, especially by younger people. It is someone who look up to and copy. कि we need someone, we find some inspiration from another. कि हमें भी कोई एक ऐसी एग्ज़ाम्पल चाहिए होती है कि जिसके नक्शे कदम या जिसको फॉलो करते हुए देखते हुए हम अपनी ज़िंदगी आगे चलाएं. Some of us may do it intentionally. हम जो आइडियलाइज करते हैं, फॉलो करते हैं, तो कुछ तो डेलिब्रेट करते हैं. इंटेंशनली मीन होता है डेलिब्रेट, जानबूझ कर करना. While some of us will do it without realizing how influenced we are getting by them. तो इंटेंशनली भी हम आइडियलाइज करते हैं और डेलिब्रेटली भी करते हैं, लेकिन बाज़ औक़ात ऐसे होता है कि अनइंटेंशनली हम इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं दूसरों से. They are our role models and these role models keep changing as we grow up, according to the changes in our tastes and needs. Having positive role models in our life is very important as they influence what we do and how we turn out eventually. इवेंचुअली मीन एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ। इन्फ्लुएंस होता है इम्प्रेस के, एज दे इम्प्रेस अस, इन्फ्लुएंस अस, इवेंचुअली वी आर बिकमिंग वट वी आर फॉलोइंग। तो जैसे हम उन्हें फॉलो करते हैं वैसे ही बन जाते हैं, इवेंचुअली एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ। Positive role models influence our actions and motivate us to strive. Strive means struggle करना. Struggle to uncover our true potentials and हम आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचते हैं। जब हमारे रोल मॉडल्स इंतहाई पॉजिटिव होते हैं, उन्होंने डिवोटेडली हार्ड वर्किंग काम किया होता है, तो हम भी उसी क्राइटेरिया को अपनी ज़िंदगी पे अप्लाई करते हैं, तो हमारे भी अनकवर पोटेंशियल्स हम पर खुलते हैं। एंड ओवरकम ओवर वीकनेसेस, हैविंग देम पुशेस अस टू मेक अस having them pushes us to make the most of our life. An inspiration for many. The life of the poor in Pakistan is miserable on many counts. Many counts means several reasons: miserable, very poor, improper condition. The absence means nothing, not having. The absence of dependable livelihoods. Dependable means they are not properly earning the livelihoods, they are dependent on someone. The absence of dependable livelihoods, traumatic experience of living life in a system, traumatic experience natural calamities हो सकती हैं, health disasters हो सकते हैं, या other reasons हो सकती हैं। traumatic experience होते हैं, financial crisis होते हैं, in a system that is always changing, and complete reliance means dependence, and complete reliance on charity service are some traits. First one is dependable livelihoods. First one is a dependable livelihoods, second one is traumatic experience, and the third one is reliance on charity service. These three are the main feature of Pakistani culture. It is a small group of devoted citizens who apply themselves to learn challenges faced by such people and come up with concrete solution. Concrete mean practical solution. Devoted mean willing and eager to work. There are some persons who are charitable and eager and willing to work for the deprived sections of the society, and they come up with concrete mean practical solutions. Parveen Rahman's name is among the foremost in the list. Parveen, Legacy of Hope. The name Parveen Rahman will always be synonymous. Synonymous mean very common with Karachi Kachi Abadis, where she worked closely with the communities to improve their quality of life through simple yet sustainable solutions. Sustainable means permanent solutions. She worked in the Karachi Kachi Abadis, where the people live in slums. Slum areas, Parveen Rahman name is very recognized, very common, very known. Parveen worked for a number of years with the Orangi Pilot Project. First project है Orangi Pilot Project. For many years she worked for OPP, Orangi Pilot Project. And what's the purpose of this project? For the rights of neglected community in the area. So why the project purpose is to work for the rights of neglected community. OPP is a non-government organization that provide basic facilities, housing, health, education, low-cost sanitation, and loans for running small businesses to underprivileged. Underprivileged mean the persons who had not privileged to access the opportunities to progress in the life. Parveen consider mean imagine, thought the underprivileged people as worthy part of society. Deprived people are considered untouchable, but he considered worthy mean able. नॉट एन आउटकास्ट, आउटकास्ट अनटचेबल कोई कहते हैं, अछूत कोई कहते हैं, जिनसे लोग मिलना पसंद नहीं करते, एज पीपल यूजुअली सी दैम. She was of the view that people do not need doles. Doles mean funding or charity नहीं चाहिए to function in society. This is important point. She was of the view that people do not need doles or charity to function in the what people demand. They need assistance and guidance to set up their own lives. Means they want to run their life and they need assistance, someone will should help them so that they might get out from their own problems. Mean they are not parasites, they do not want to get their dependence on doles and charity to set up their lives so that they can function and thrive mean grow on their own. As soon as she joined OPP in 1982, she proved to be one of the NGO's most useful assets. Competent होता है able, competent and infinitely patient. Patient mean होता है very strong nerve, able to bear that difficult situation. Competent and infinitely patient, she was soon supervising the sanitation work in Orangi. First one project was OPP, second one is sanitation work. In a few years, the sanitation work was thriving. Thriving means growing. Sewage flowed through sewerage pipes and was not thrown on or by the roads. There were underground sewers and toilets were made in people's homes where waste matter could be flushed. Encouraged by the success of their work with OPP, the people of Orangi were discovering the poor living conditions could be improved with good guidance and their own willingness to learn and work. Thanks to Parveen commitment. Commitment means devotion, obligation. Thanks to Parveen commitment to building an inexpensive. Inexpensive means cheap. But durable. Durable means sustainable, paidar. But durable sanitation system in Orangi. The project began to attract their attention of foreign NGO with many hoping to have replicated in other developing countries. Replicated copy. यहाँ पर परवीन ने सैनिटेशन के लिए एक चीप मगर ड्यूरेबल सैनिटेशन सिस्टम को प्रमोट किया और ये फ़ॉरेन एनजीओज़ को इतना अच्छा लगा कि इन्होंने दूसरे डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज़ में भी इसको अप्लाई किया. फर्स्ट वर्क प्रोजेक्ट था ओपीपी, उसमें परवीन ने हिस्सा लिया ताकि लोगों को फाइनेंशली असिस्टेंस के बजाय उनको फाइनेंशली डेवलप किया जा सके. सेकंड औरंगी पे सैनिटेशन वर्क, उसने सैनिटेशन सिस्टम को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया. In 1989, the OPP split into three organizations: the OPP RTI Research and Training Institute, OPP OCity Orangi Charitable Trust, responsible for giving small loans and microfinance, and OPP Khasta Karachi Health and Social Development Association, responsible for health activities. Parveen became director of OPP RTI and managed, besides sanitation programs, on education, youth training, water supply, secure housing. A serious researcher, she traveled extensively. Extensively होता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा करना सफ़र. She traveled extensively in Orangi and other parts of Karachi to observe the condition there and prepare detailed reports. Many poor people in Orangi did not go to school. Some college graduates living in their neighborhood started teaching them in a one-room school, which they opened in their own homes. There were more such schools in Orangi run by college graduates or students who were charging very little fee. OPP gave them small grants to buy essential furniture and other amenities. Guidance was also given to make the environment cleaner and healthier. Many impoverished women in Orangi and other poverty stricken areas live hard lives. Yet some of them managed to educate themselves, became teachers, and a few even to get open schools of their own with the help of OPPRTI. तो OPPRTI का जो फंक्शन था वो एजुकेशन पर था कि कुछ लोग खुद वॉलंटरीली कुछ लोग खुद डेलिबरेटली एजुकेशन दे रहे थे फ्री में, तो OPP ने उन्हें फंडिंग दी. While OPP helped Orangi town significantly, as a result of their own efforts, they also had to face intense harassment from the areas of land mafia, an organized crime group that legally seize mean stop, and develop the plots of land for financial and potential gain. यहाँ पर अब थ्रेट्स आ गई लैंड माफिया की तरफ से कि जो भी अच्छे काम कर रही थी उनको वो लैंड माफिया नहीं करने दे रहा था. Orangi town was an area ripe for the profit as many of its underprivileged resident means citizens, were not formal owners of their own homes. Many poor residents of area were evicted mean निकाल दिए जाना from their homes. Parveen recognized the injustice of this and worked hard to legalize the residents' ownership of their own homes. Her motto was to find a way forward for everyone. Her dedication caught the attention of wrong people, ultimately leading to her demise on 13 March 2013. She was murdered while she was driving home from OPP. Thousands of people all over the world country mourned. Mourn means rona afsos karna, this loss. But while Parveen Rahman is no longer here, the inspiration she radiated mean provided, and the example she set in her dynamic life may, who knows, an example she set in her dynamic life may, who knows, bring into being many spirits like her on from among the boys and the girls of today. First question is, what did Parveen Rahman work on at the Orangi pilot project? She wanted that the people should raise and stand their own living standards. So she wanted to make them stable and she stabilized many of the individuals. What was her view on the underprivileged community in the area? ये इसका है कि she was of the view that people do not need dolls and charity to function in the society. They need assistance and guidance to set up their own lives so that they can function and thrive on their own. What was the condition of the sanitation system in the area before OPP intervened? No sewerage system नहीं था. ये है, इसका आंसर ये है. Sewage flowed through the sewerage pipe and was not thrown on by the roads. Was thrown on or by the roads. They were underground sewers. Toilets were made in people's homes where waste matter could be flushed. गोश्त और इसको कहते हैं मिलने को. टू होता है अलॉन्ग किसी के साथ होना, टू का मतलब दो होता है. देयर प्लेस के लिए यूज़ होता है, देयर होता है पोजेशन के लिए, पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन है. ये डिसेंट होता है इसका गुस्सा करना और इसका होता है कि चढ़ाई करना. एक्सेप्ट और एक्सेप्ट यानी किसी चीज़ के सिवा, एक्सेप्ट मीन तस्लीम करना होता है.